Which Singer sewing machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a little deeper to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Heavy Duty 4411 Gray. The Singer Heavy Duty 4411 in gray caught my eye right away. Priced at $189.99, it promises powerful performance for tough fabrics. If you want a sturdy machine that can handle a variety of projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this machine solves your problems. With 50% more power, it easily tackles heavy materials like denim and canvas without skipping a beat. Imagine whipping up a pair of jeans or a sturdy bag in record time. Thanks to a jaw-dropping speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, you can get through your projects quickly. Plus, with 69 stitch applications, from basic seams to decorative stitches, you'll have the versatility to tackle all your sewing needs. The top drop-in bobbin system allows you to see your thread supply at a glance, so you won't run out mid-project, which can be a real headache. Now, some folks mention that the machine can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, it's a heavy-duty machine designed for power, so some noise is expected. If you're sewing in a quiet environment, it might be a little disruptive, but if you're focused on your projects, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable workhorse that can handle heavy and light fabrics alike. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter machine for delicate projects. It's solid value for the price, especially for heavy-duty users. Now, if the noise factor of the 4411 bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Heavy Duty 4452 Gray. Next up is the Singer Heavy Duty 4452, another gray beauty, priced at $219.99. This model amps up versatility while still delivering serious power. If you want a machine that can handle more complex sewing tasks, this one's worth considering. So why is this model special? It boasts 32 built-in stitches and unlocks 110 stitch applications, giving you options for everything from basic seams to intricate patterns. The stronger motor means it can sew through multiple layers of thick fabrics without fuss. With the same 1,100 stitches per minute speed, you'll not only get speed, but also a smooth experience. Plus, the jam-proof bobbin system makes it easy to keep sewing without interruptions. Very handy during those marathon crafting sessions. Now, a few users complained about the setup being a bit tricky at first, but here's the scoop. The included guide is pretty helpful, and once you get through it, you'll be up and running. It's not a deal breaker, especially for those willing to invest a little time. This is perfect for you if you want versatile stitching options that can tackle various projects. Skip this one if you're a complete beginner looking for something simpler. For the price, it offers fantastic value with all the accessories included. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love a pop of color. Product number 3, Heavy Duty 4411 Pink. Here's the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 in a vibrant pink, priced at $229.99. It's not just a pretty face. This machine packs a punch. If you want solid performance with a fun twist, this is a great option. What's exciting about this model? Like its gray counterpart, it offers 11 built-in stitches, delivering 69 stitch applications, meaning you can create everything from clothes to home decor with flair. The 60% stronger motor allows for easy sewing through heavy fabrics, and the 1,100 stitches per minute speed ensures quick completion of your projects. Plus, it comes with a bonus accessory kit valued at $60, making it a fantastic deal right out of the box. However, some users noted that the pink color might not appeal to everyone. Here's my take. It's definitely a niche choice, but if you're into unique designs, it adds a fun personality to your sewing area. If color doesn't matter to you, this might not be the one for you. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful machine that also stands out visually. Skip this one if you prefer more neutral colors. For the price, the added accessories make it a steal for creative sewers. Now, if the design of the pink model doesn't suit your tastes, let's look at something more classic.
Product number 4, Heavy Duty 4432 Black. Introducing the Singer Heavy Duty 4432 in black, priced at $239.10. This one is designed for serious sewing enthusiasts. If you want a machine that really balances power and versatility, keep listening. What makes the 4432 noteworthy? It features 32 built-in stitches with 110 stitch applications, allowing you to tackle everything from fashion to quilting. The motor is 60% stronger than standard machines, giving you the power to sew through thick layers without hesitation. Plus, it includes a variety of accessories to make your sewing experience smoother. The one-step buttonhole feature is particularly convenient, saving you time on those detailed tasks. Some users mention the weight of the machine, noting it can be a bit cumbersome to move around, but honestly, I see this as a positive. It's built for stability, meaning your projects won't shake or skip while you sew. This is perfect for you if you're serious about sewing and want a reliable machine for a range of projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and portable. Given its performance, it's a solid investment for any sewing enthusiast. All right, we've covered some solid heavy-duty options. Now let's explore a more advanced model that really opens up creative possibilities. Product number 5, Quantum Stylist 9960. Finally, we have the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960, priced at $542.99. This is the powerhouse of the bunch, perfect for those ready to take their sewing to the next level. If you want extensive features and creative control, this is definitely worth a look. What's so special about this machine? It offers a staggering 600 built-in stitches and over 1,172 stitch applications. You can easily create unique designs and even personalize your work with built-in lettering. The automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin system makes setup a breeze, and the large extension table is perfect for quilting or larger projects. The speed control feature is a game changer, allowing you to work at a pace that suits you. However, some users found the price a little steep. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about sewing, the investment pays off with the incredible versatility and features this machine provides. It's ideal for those who really want to explore their creativity. This is perfect for you if you're an advanced sewer wanting to create detailed projects. Skip this one if you're just starting out or on a tight budget. For serious crafters, it's a worthy investment that opens up so many possibilities. So, to wrap it up, we've covered the Singer Heavy Duty 4411, 4452, and 4411 in pink, the 4432, and the Quantum Stylist 9960. Each has its strengths, whether you're looking for heavy-duty performance, versatility, or creative options. Choose the one that fits your needs best, and happy sewing!